Hey guys, we're at 118 Brandwood in Newton, Georgia for Mr. Fernando Garcia. You'll see some of these gutter screens have already been shaken out by the wind. On this particular slope, this is the right slope of the home. The adjuster noted that there is, I believe there's only 3. Those were listed over there, but I mean, just putting my ladder here, I actually see there's, looks like 1 here. Yeah, I can't tell if that's 1 or not. Nope. This guy looks kind of the same markings as this one, but this one's sealed. But there's another one over here. There's a couple random ones. All in all, it shouldn't move the scope of work much. The big thing is whether or not this is a repairable shingle. So we're going to test it out. I'm going to get it set up. Once I set up, I will go ahead and put the camera back on. We'll take a look at it. Alright, so there's absolutely no lines at all in any of these, which this one doesn't matter as much because we're replacing this one. So this shingle starts here, goes all the way across to here. The nails are going to be here and up here. So the shingles we care about is this guy, which right now doesn't have any problems. So all the way over to here. Same up here. Just making sure there's no issues whatsoever on these. Looking good before we start. Make sure I got you guys set up in a decent spot. First things first, just gonna work on unsealing everything. Should be good. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a big indentation. I'm not sure what that's from. 7. All right, so we have 7 nails in it currently. Working on getting those out real fast. That one's not in. That one's not in currently. Sorry, it's my phone ringing. Hi guys, show you where we're at right now. Alright, so on this one, so far nothing, we're okay. Here, there's a little bit coming off, not much. Overall, we're looking okay. I mean, there's a bare bit of granule loss on this so far. Nothing terrible. We're okay so far. Also, there was no mat transfer. We got to get 2 of these nails out, like they were sunk a little deep in the initial installation. I guess. So it looks like we have all the nails out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the exact same shingle, slide it right back in. Make sure we're all lined up. Alright, so that's all the nails back in. All I'm doing right now is just wiping our granules so you guys can see what's going on with it. This is not taking them off, this is wiping away loose ones. I can do this all I want up here and no granules are moving, but down here you'll see granules are moving. Let's show you what the shingle looks like now. So the shingle's above it. Obviously this guy is pretty apparent now. This one's also pretty apparent. This guy's been worked on as well. Same all the way over to here. So definitely can tell that in that area now, that before there was no issues other than the one shingle. Now there's clear lines where the repair attempt has failed on those.